Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you guys how to create a voice channel on Discord. So over here I'm using Android. It's supposed to be similar method if you are using iOS or iPhone or iPad, etc. What you have to do, you enter to your own servers that you are the creators, or you have a permission to create a channels. So for instance, I have my own channels, and then as you can see I don't have any voice channel or video call channel. What you have to do, you just go to this channel properties, you click the channel name, the server name, and then you can click this create a channel. Really easy. You can click create channel, and then you can add the name. For instance, I will video channel, for instance, and then I should click this voice and then click create, and then it's supposed to be here the voice channel already created. And then I also able to move the channel. Just press and hold. Wait. I'm unable to move the channel through my phone, but on PC it's really easy. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's useful for you. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.